Hi, I'm Thomas Everett Haynes, Kale the Quick Online, and I need your help. A couple weeks ago, my car was hit in a very low impact collision. It's generally fine, but the downside is that it's going to take about 2 weeks to repair. Everything should be covered by the other guy's insurance. He definitely hit me, you can tell by the angle of the hit. But the biggest problem is that for the 2 weeks it could take to repair the vehicle, I won't be able to drive for Lyft. And driving for Lyft is how I was making ends meet while I'm over here in Tacoma looking for a new job. So, need to know when to ask for help. There are some links down below for PayPal, that kind of thing. So if you have any extra change, you could send me some money to help make ends meet for the couple of weeks it's going to take to get this fixed. What I'd appreciate even more is if you know anybody in the Tacoma, Seattle area who's looking for a programmer, that type of thing. There's my resume and a portfolio down below. And if you know those people, please pass that around. And of course, share the video around as well, because I very much need some help to get past a little rocky patch here in my life. Thank you for checking out the video. I'm Kale Quick. Don't die.